Hello, my little chef and pumpkin lovers. If you're craving something sweet, cozy, and ridiculously easy, then I got you. Today we're making a no-bake, flourless pumpkin dessert that tastes like a homemade meal. Without no oven, no flour, just straight up delicious. Then grab your apron and let's get started. Meanwhile, before we get started, you can check out for all the ingredients that we used on this pumpkin recipe in the description box below. So, without further delay, let's get into it. Now let's start with our pumpkin. Peel it and let's slice it in smaller pieces. Once that is done, we are going to pour it into our boiling pot. Let it boil for at least 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I think our pumpkin should be done by now. In a separate bowl, pour in the pumpkin that you have just boiled and let's match it till it gets smooth. Now it's time for the spices. You need to get your lemon juice ready, then mix it together with the pumpkin recipe. You can add your sugar, salt, or any other ingredient that you want. It's all about your choice. But for me, I'm leaving mine with only the lemon juice and sugar because we're keeping it gluten-free, flour-free, and fabulous. Now look at this, guys. It's so soft, chewy, spiced to perfection, and smells like Thanksgiving came early. Now pour it slowly into a separate bowl. Once that is done, you can cover it and then pop these in the fridge for 30 minutes to set. One thing I like about this recipe is that you can make it in less than 5 minutes, but trust me, this is so delicious. Now after 30 minutes, I think it's time to get our pumpkin recipe out from the fridge. Let's see if it's ready to go. Wow, look at this. So soft, sweet, a little chewy, and oh so delicious. Made without no oven, no flour, and no drama, every single bite will make you wanting for more. Save this recipe. Your future wife is going to thank you for this. So, it's time to take a bite and let's see how it tastes. This is like pumpkin pie and cookie dessert for couples. Trust me, and I'm not kidding, you are going to love it. So, save this recipe for any time you will need a quick pumpkin fix without any baking. No flour and no stress. Just cozy and delicious, because this video will always be there to direct you. And don't forget to share this recipe with someone who needs it in their life. And also make sure you smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Until I come your way next time, keep cooking and keep it cool and delicious.